Texas. Another cold front arrives today with the chance for more showers. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bandera County, southeastern Kirk County, northwestern Hayes County, Blanco County, southeastern Gillespie County, Kendall County, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Meadow Lakes to 11 miles northwest of Medina, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medina, Kerrville, Bernie, Fredericksburg, Dripping Springs, Comfort, Blanco, Bandera, Round Mountain, Vanderpool, Fair Oaks Ranch, Johnson City, Stonewall, Bear Creek, Candelia, Kerrville Shriner Park, Rocky Hill, Kreutzburg, Cypress Mill, and Blumenthal. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Your weather synopsis for South Central